Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of IKEA to explore some amazing ideas for small bedrooms. Whether you're working with a tiny apartment space or just a cozy room, IKEA has got you covered. Let's get started. Our first tip is all about maximizing storage. IKEA has some fantastic options for underbed storage. Check out these MALM bed frames with drawers. They are perfect for storing clothes, shoes, or even extra bedding without taking up additional floor space. These drawers are spacious and glide smoothly, making it super easy to access your items. Plus, they come in various finishes to match your bedroom decor. Next up, let's talk about multifunctional furniture. In a small bedroom, every piece of furniture needs to work double duty. IKEA's HEMNES daybed is a perfect example. It's a comfy bed at night and transforms into a stylish sofa during the day. And guess what? It also has built-in drawers for even more storage. Whether you're hosting guests or just lounging around, this daybed is a space-saving hero. Now, onto wardrobes. IKEA's PAX wardrobe system is incredibly versatile. You can customize the interior with shelves, drawers, and hanging racks to suit your needs. It helps keep your clothes organized and your room clutter-free. With the PAX system, you can make the most of your vertical space, which is crucial in a small bedroom. Lighting can make a huge difference in a small space. IKEA offers a range of lighting solutions that can help brighten up your room and make it feel more spacious. Consider using wall-mounted lamps like these run-up ones. They free up your bedside tables and add a touch of industrial chic to your decor. Plus, they have adjustable arms, so you can direct the light exactly where you need it. Don't forget about textiles. Adding curtains, rugs, and cushions can bring warmth and personality to your small bedroom. IKEA's Lender curtains are great for adding a soft, airy feel to your space. And these low-hulls rugs are made from natural fibers, giving your room a cozy vibe. Layering textiles can also help absorb sound, making your bedroom a quieter, more relaxing place. Finally, let's talk about accessories. Small details can make a big impact. IKEA's Skadi's pegboard is a fantastic addition to any small bedroom. It keeps your essentials organized and within reach, without taking up valuable floor space. You can customize it with hooks, shelves, and containers to fit your needs. So there you have it. Some of the best IKEA ideas for small bedrooms. With a little creativity and the right furniture, you can transform even the tiniest space into a stylish and functional retreat. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more home decor tips and tricks.